There's an update on Vercoin and we can now be able to check our allocation for those who actually mined on the Telegram platform. You can see this is the ex-official page of Vercoin, and if you scroll up now, you can see this particular post that was made 1 hour ago. Vercoin 3 distribution update. So I'll just come and tap on it now. Now this is what they have to say. Before distribution, we conducted a full AI-based verification of approximately 200 GB of operational logs to calculate final points balances. You know what we were mining was points, and the points had to convert to Veri tokens, and the total pool was 200 million Veri. So they now came here and said these were the things that they used: activity pattern analysis, detection of abnormal access behavior, and automation tool usage. So if your behavior was abnormal, they use AI to detect that, and if you use automation tools like auto-clickers, they also detected that. Okay, then account activity verification, analysis of actual engagement and contributions from referred accounts. So they also check the contribution of your referred accounts, that's your referrals. This process was carried out to ensure fair distribution across the ecosystem. You know, before this time we were saying 200 points is equal to 1 Vercoin. That was the rumor that was flagging around. And we were also saying that your total points divided by the total point mined by all participants multiplied by the reward pool, which is 200 million Vercoin, and that will give you a share of Vercoin, right? But it didn't play out that way, because you can see from here that the final conversion rate is 1 Veri is equal to 932 points, meaning that whatsoever you got as your mining points, you just divide it by 932. Okay, you can now see what they said here: detailed algorithms and individual adjustment records will not be disclosed. This should have been disclosed, but I'm wondering why they choose not to disclose it, because we're supposed to see how they did all the calculations and the breakdown. And now they now said the distribution will be completed by May 15th. So right now, let me go to my Telegram app so I can be able to see my allocation. Coming over to my Vercoin 3, that's the Telegram app, you can see it here, the campaign has ended. What this means is that if you did not connect your account, you're not going to get anything, because look at what they said here: Vercoin 3's service period and the VeryChat account linking window have both closed. Thank you to everyone who participated, and this is now your Veri allocation. I had about 12 point something million points, and if you divide that by 932, that's how I got this number of Vercoin. And they said this number will be credited to the mining balance of the linked VeryChat account below. And you can see it here. This is my linked VeryChat account, jprim www.coin, and you can see it's showing linked. So this is how your own is going to be showing. Okay, I can see further details here. Service and linking has been closed, so it has been completed. The Veri settlement has been completed. So what is left now is distribution by end of May. According to what they said, the distribution is going to be on the 15th of May. That's 7 days from today, as of when I'm recording this particular video, because today is the 8th of May 2026. And now the beautiful thing is that no action needed. Veri will be sent automatically to this your linked account. I believe that's clear enough. So right now I'm going to go to my Veri app. Now this is the main Veri app. This is the main mining. Okay, so this continues, although the Telegram has ended, but this continues. So if you have not joined this, I'm going to drop my referral link in the video description. Tap on the more right below this particular video. Tap on the more again, get into the video description, and start this particular project. I also did a step-by-step video guide on how you can be able to join this, and I'm also going to drop all of those in the video description. Okay, so on the 15th of May, that your allocated Veri is going to come and add to this your balance. I believe that's clear enough. Then don't forget to always mine this your Veri. Always check your lucky boss, exhaust your rain, exhaust your boosters. Okay, very, very important. Then if you can, try as much as you can to invite some friends. Then always start your mining. So let me just stop my mining by tapping on So just watch your ads and close your ads, then just wait, allow it to auto plant. Okay, you can actually see it here. So the moment it shows like you just go to your view my activity, you tap on it, then you go back and come down to this your rewards. Okay, tap on your rewards, then you open your cookies. So you tap on it and you open it. Okay, so open cookies, then you just close. So basically these are the things that you'll be doing on a daily basis. Okay, so this is the latest update on the Very network. Just like I said, Vercoin mining continues, and if you've not joined, I'm going to drop my referral link and the link to the video guide in the video description. Tap on the more right below this particular video, tap on the more again, get into the video description and start Vercoin mining. Okay, so basically that's the end of this particular video. If this video was helpful to you or you found any form of value from this video, do what to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification to get all notifications so that I can always be notified whenever I drop new YouTube videos. Also do what to join our Telegram channel, link in the video description, where we'll share with you various updates on cryptocurrency and airdrop. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.